Okay. All right. She's cute. We can rock with this, sis. Okay. This is a look. A good look. I'm feeling it. Loving it. Welcome back to my channel. So I got a new cutie from samsbeauty.com, and this is it right here. And girl, y'all already know how I feel about samsbeauty.com. That is my one-stop shop for all of my beauty supply store needs. Girl, with today's climate, I just despise putting on a mask, and I'd just rather just go to samsbeauty.com and just order all of my beauty supply store needs without having to go to the beauty supply store and standing in a line to get in, all while wearing a hot mask. Okay, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into the unit. This is it right here. Now, she is an instant fashion wig from Sensationnel, and she's in the style called Tamira, honey. And I have her in the color 1B. Y'all know I like my hair dark and my lips red, okay? But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, with her being a fashion wig, you already know this is a synthetic unit, okay? She's synthetic, but she's very, very cute. She is long, hunty. She has some wave about her, and she has a bang. I have been feeling my bangs lately too. So let's go ahead and get her out the pack and try it on. All right, I haven't worn a dark color wig with a bang in a while, but I have been wearing my human hair bang unit almost all week, and I am loving that unit. She is a cutie. But nonetheless, this one is a cutie too. She's so cute. And I love fashion wigs because they are ready to go right out the pack. No lace to cut, no heat styling, none of that. All I got to do is take off all of the little paperwork, tags, her stuffing, remove all of these little frilly tags and things, and girl, adjust the strap, put it on, and we are ready to go. Now, she is standard. We have a comb at the top, one at the back, and an adjustable strap. Okay, all right, really nice, okay. Now, she does have a shine to her, but girl, ain't nobody worried about that. Nonetheless, she is still beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and put it on. Girl, let me go ahead and put my wig on. Let's put it on. Let me show you how easy it is to rock these fashion wigs. And here we go. So cute. And two, I just love fashion wigs for so many different reasons. I just feel like they're good for inclement weather. When you're not sure if it's going to rain, it looks like it's going to rain, it's been raining, or it's going to rain again, girl, and you might be in and out of shopping or whatever, outdoor shopping plazas. Girl, your hair is still going to look good, okay? Still going to look good. Love this. So cute. But let me go to the mirror and get her better adjusted. Let me determine if I want to cut the bang. I probably don't, because I do like my bangs kind of long, but she is super cute. Loving it though. Let me show you the length. She's pretty long. I would give this about maybe 26 to 28 inches. You know, on these fashion wigs, it never really gives you the length on the pack, but sometimes on the website itself will give you all of the dimensions of the unit. But she's cute. She's okay. All right, she's cute. We can rock with this, sis. Okay, this is a look, a good look. I'm feeling it. Loving it. So I just straighten it up a bit on my head. Now I'm thinking it may have a little bit of a stick up here, but you can leave the wig turned inside out overnight, and that would eliminate that little A-line shape there at the top. But I'm not too much worried with it. It just is what it is. Y'all know I got on a wig, and it's a cute wig at that. I love it though, sis. It's cute. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below in the comments area. Would you rock it or no? I'm feeling it. I think this one's cute. This one's definitely doable. Yeah, so I feel like everybody needs a few fashion wigs in the collection, okay? Because this one is bomb. I'm feeling it. Yes. Now the direct link and all the info about this baby will be down below on the description box. And if it was something that I didn't include about the wig, just click the link down there and read the description on the website, because I'm pretty sure it'll give you all the details, honey. All your thrills and feels, and you will get all the information you need about this unit by reading, sis. I promise. But I like it. It was cute on the site. I got it. And yeah, that's just what it is. And I like it. She's cute. Feeling it. Very cheap. Affordable, you know, synthetic. Just a fashion wig. Just a fashion wig, okay? Nonetheless, she's cute. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. And there will definitely be another video. So make sure you're subscribed.